Hello there, my friends. So this is going to be a super quick video, but I've been on the hunt for something and I thought I would share because I have a feeling I'm not the only one. So I have been on a search. I have little tiny ears and I cannot find like earbuds that will go in and are actually comfortable. Well, first off, they go in, and second off, that are comfortable for more than 5 minutes. So stay tuned. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Jamie, and I am the coach for Get Fit with Jay, and also part of the Badass Mama Gang. All right, so what are we gonna do today? We are gonna take a look at just a couple of options that are out on the market for headphones, and one of them is a little bit unique. All right, here we go. So welcome to my messy desk. So this morning we're gonna talk about a couple of traditional options and one that is kind of new to the market. We're gonna start here. I think we all have the ones with the different wires. Some of us have moved on to the Earbuds. I never say these right and it makes the kids so mad. And then we're gonna talk about this little gadget and we're gonna do an unboxing because I found us a cheaper option. So first things first, this is traditionally what we all have. And these are great, except you get it like, okay, first off, that right there is exactly what ends up happening. I can't tell you, I think every like drawer or desk that I have has these little in it and it's all wound up. But when it comes down to these little doodads, these hurt. If you have little tiny ears, first off, just trying to shove them down in there, they're almost too big for your ears. And so then when you have them in there for any period of time, it almost like it starts to ache. So again, I was like, there has to be a better option. So we move on to the next. Option 2. These AirPods hit the market like a roaring train. Like all the kids had to have these. And first off, I know I have the old ones and there's even newer, cooler ones. But for us moms, these right here running about $99 with Apple. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put the link below so you can get a little bit more information. They're just like the wireless ones. So it just has the same plastic little piece, little earbuds, and they stick down here. And I just annoy the kids because when I go in here, I usually have these sticking out. And so, my teenage daughter just has a fit with me. I think I do it on purpose, don't tell her. Anyways, the one thing that is super cool about these is that it's easy. You set them up on your phone, you go in, you put them on, they automatically connect to each other, you put them back in the case and it's done. The other thing is it's super easy to charge. You can charge everything all in one base, or you can take them out, and what I do is I charge them while they're in my ears, and then I charge the case and then it keeps it. Here's the thing for me with these. So Pro, super easy to connect, fast, quick, can get it going. But the con for me is probably about, I'm gonna say about the 5-minute mark. These again are causing me to have achy ears because it's just that hard plastic that's sitting down in the eardrum. Okay, what's next? Option 3. So if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I had jaw surgery about 2.5 months ago. And so the thought of putting something in my eardrums, I think like exponentially expanded. So I was on the hunt for a different option. And one of the things that I found is the new bone conducting, I sound so scientific, headphones. And so this is what they look like. These specifically are the AfterShokz. I'm gonna put a description down in the bottom where you can find it in Amazon if you wanna get more information. So these, you can get these for a little over $100. So they're just, they're kind of on the same wavelength of the Apple AirPods. But the thing that's super nice about these, okay, so they just go around the back and they sit right on the front of your ear, which if you have any problems with things going in your ear or if you've had jaw surgery, these have been a lifesaver. I will tell you that I'm going to talk about a couple of cons, but I will tell you this alone outweighs all of the cons. If you have, quick tip, if you have these, if you have a Sam's Club near you, go look for these in Sam's because you can get a great deal, especially around Christmas time. All right, so pros, again, super comfortable, super easy to pair with your phone. Here's kind of the cons. People can hear what you're listening to. So this uses a different type of technology, which I'm not going to get into the science to. We can link some videos down into it, but basically it uses a different technology. Get the sound into your head where you can hear it. But if you're really trying to blast something, your neighbor next to you is going to hear a little bit of it. So just know that if you're trying to listen to something somewhat private, you may want to go back to a traditional type in your ear versus these. I like these for music. I like these for podcasts, for if you're just watching YouTube videos. They're super comfortable. I can hear it just fine. It's not horrible for the person that's next to you. They just hear like a little bit faint talk from it. Here's the con that I have with this. So it does have a little tiny power button on the side to turn it on. So it's not as automatic as your AirPods. What this is going to do is when you turn this on, then it connects and then it works. One of the unfortunate things, this is the pouch that it came with. This is usually sitting down in my purse, and I know that's probably part of the problem. But what I'll find is that this little sucker somehow will press that on button, and then I'll be like trying to make a phone call, and they're on this. I don't know. So I do think there's a way to fix that. So let's go on to our next option. So here's an option that I found on Amazon that I think might help. It's just a case, but it's a hard case. And so my earphones will sit down inside of them, and then I can zip them up, and then hopefully I'm not turning on my phone. This again, on Amazon, I'll put the link down below. So I'm a mom on a budget, and I thought, you know, these aftershocks are really cool, but they're a little over $100, and there has to be a better option out there that, you know, I mean, let's just be honest, doesn't break the bank. So I went out on Amazon and I did find us an alternative, and we're gonna unbox it together. So this one is by, oh, I am so not gonna say this right. Vidon. I am so sorry, Vidon. I'm probably not saying that right. I'll put the link down below for Amazon for the exact one that I got. These do come in a couple of different colors. I got yellow because I was feeling spicy. So let's open this up together. Oh, sorry, the little lid. All right, so this is how they're gonna come. They do look extremely similar to the aftershocks. So aftershocks, this is the other one. So what's the difference in pricing? This one right here, I purchased off Amazon for $44. It was $44 and some change. So we'll just say $44. So let's kind of talk through the differences just immediately in my hand. So first things, this is very, I'm gonna use the word chunky. Like the material is very stiff. This is very firm. That's not a bad thing. This one right here is very, like you can even see it in my hands, very flimsy, so we're gonna see if there's a difference in how this feels when we wear it. The second piece to this is it looks like, yep, the on off button is here on the inside. So this is them here. They're on the inside. So maybe that problem that I'm having about it turning itself on won't be as bad. So let's just stick these on. So first, they feel the same on. There's no tightness against there. It rests very against the head. This does have a little bit of a gap in the back. I hope you can see that on the camera, but that's the same thing with the aftershocks. All right, what else came in here? We have a charging port, same thing for these. They use those little mini USB. I know a bunch of us have those about. And what else? Instruction book. All right, so let's talk sound. Let me figure out how to turn these things on. Hold on. Okay, so pairing is pretty much the same for both of them. Literally, I just hold and press a button down until it starts to flash red. So right now we're pairing it. So I just did a sound check with these, the Vidon 1, and I'm gonna tell you, they are spot on. So from a little over $100 to $44 and some change off Amazon, I'm gonna tell you, I think that after everything is all said and done, the question that we were asking initially is what kind of headphones can I get for small ears? And I'm gonna add on, that won't break the bank, is this one. All right, guys, I'll put it down in the description. If you guys hit that subscribe button, let me know if there's any other videos that you guys would be interested in, and go check out our blog. I'll put the link down below, but we're a bunch of some badass mamas and you should join us. Okay guys, go be awesome.